Hi, and welcome back to Buggy's Boxes. This week we have Geek Fuel. So let's open that up and see what's inside. Looks like the first thing we have is our little magazine. So that's all right. Anyway, that's a little magazine. Then we have the Futurama Bender puzzle. Too bad that's not just a little model. We might do it, but as a puzzle, probably not. I don't know. Then we have a plush Mario thing. We collect plushies at this house, so this is cool. And this will go into our collection. Then we have our t-shirt. Batman. 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 And of course our pin from, I don't remember what that's from. I've seen it before, but it's another one of those stupid pins that looks like a tank that I hate. And of course, our free game that we never play. Yippee. I guess. So that's it for this box, and I'll actually continue getting Geek Fuel in November and December, but then I have officially canceled it, and it's not on the list for things I might get once in a while. So that's all there is for that. Oops. No, Jack. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you on the next episode of Buggy's Boxes.